Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a decorate with me video, bow tutorial, and also how to ribbon a tree. I'm going to layer different colors of ribbons together, maybe give you guys some ideas on what colors might look good together. Also bring in some ornaments that might also look good with those bows. This is our second video for Christmas, so there's going to be plenty more videos coming out. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell so that you can get notified when all of the Christmas videos come out. So let's go ahead and get started. So I went through my Christmas boxes and found a bunch of ribbon that I can reuse. So I still like this. I think I'm gonna go with the gold and emerald green color this year for my theme personally upstairs. So I got this mesh ribbon from Michael's yesterday. Really, really pretty, and layered together, they look really good together. So I'll go ahead and do that for my first bow. Nothing has to be a certain length. You can make one smaller, one longer, it's just whatever you like. So this is how we're gonna start the bow here. Layer this one on top, or just cut straight across here on an angle. So this is where we're gonna start. Make a little loop, scrunch it together, and then you bring the printed side forward, hold that tight, just like that. So this is the single loop. You can move them around a little bit, layer it right on top in the middle, just whatever you like. I kind of like it like this. Wire it in like that if you wanted the single. If you want to do a double, wrap this up, go back, forward, crunch up, meet in the middle, and you could also do a third bow and do the same thing. Wrap it that way, crunch it in the middle, wire it up, and put it in the tree. You can have long tails and just push them in the tree here and there. And here are a cute few emerald green ornaments that would look really pretty with these colors. I'm not going to put these where they need to be. I'm just going to kind of give you an idea of some colors that might look good with it. So here's a couple more really cute colors together. So I believe I got this at Coming Home, both of these at Coming Home actually. If you wanted to just do the single bow, they're just super easy. Hold the printed side forward, wire it, okay? So if you wanted another color, you could also do the same thing. Hold the good side forward. Wire it, and you could even take them apart and add them, do different colors next year if you wanted. But look, you could just wire those right together. Just because you're using the gray and the wood colors, you can add red. You don't necessarily need red in these. Let's go ahead and add this cute little pick in there. Let's add a cute little gnome to the top. And I will be doing a video on tree toppers next, after this video, so stay tuned for that one. This cute, super cute ornaments from Coming Home also. It used to be Taipan, but they kind of minimized their store because it was really huge and just made their tiny, well, not tiny, it's still pretty good size, but a smaller shop and they still have a lot of the cute stuff, and I get a lot of my ideas for Christmas tree decorations. And here's another really good idea. So I got this ribbon from Hobby Lobby, and I just cut them in 9-inch pieces. So I cut them in little 9-inch pieces, and I just give them a good little bend, and watch this. It looks like we're ribboning the entire tree, but we're not. So you'll save on ribbon. You'll probably only need one roll to do this. Just layer them in different ways, that way, this way, however you want, really. So I've got about a roll of each of these fabrics. And this is also something you can do. This is the same fabric as the bow that I just made. So you want to make sure that you're sticking the part that you're pushing in and making it touch the middle of the tree. And I like them kind of apart. And I'm just going in a spiral around the tree. And you want these to stick out a bit from the tree branches. So don't be afraid to add colors that you think might not look good together. We're gonna add a bunch of super rustic ornaments that have these vintagey colors in them, and the gray. So I normally wouldn't think this looks good together, but it will when it's put together. So let's go ahead and check that out. And instead of going around the tree like I just showed you with the last ribbon, you can also just do this. Just make sure that the loops are hanging out past the branches. And you're getting it in pretty good here towards the middle of the tree. So here's pulling in some of the vintage red colors, so we'd definitely have to wire this in. Add some cute red pops of red halle berries just coming out the sides. And look at this cute little fox. And this one I will be doing for the Festival of Trees, and we're gonna name the tree What Does the Fox Say? Super cute. You could also use something like this that has words on it and wrap that diagonal around the tree, and that's also super cute with this tree. Just give you kind of an idea. Super cute. Thanks again for watching my video, you guys. Hope that it inspired you and gave you some good ideas for your Christmas decorating this year. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, you guys.